In this video, you will learn how to divide number in Microsoft Excel. First two columns shows the numbers, while third column shows the result of the division. You can see here I have divided the numbers in column A with column B numbers, and the results are displayed here. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. I have already entered the data in a separate sheet. Two columns shows the numbers and B column shows the dividers. So I will teach you an easy method. Remember, there are multiple methods to divide number in Microsoft Excel, but I will teach you an easy methods. Firstly, if you want to divide number in Microsoft Excel, you have to select a particular cell where you want to display the result. For example, I want to display the division result in this cell, so I will click on this cell. Now you can see here this cell is selected. Put equal sign in that particular cell where you want to display the result and select the number. For example, I want to divide this number with this one, so I will select this one. Now you can see here that the particular cell is selected where the number is present. Now I will put the division sign and I will select the divider. Click on the cell which contains the divider and press enter. Now you can see here you have successfully performed the division operation. Remember that it is not necessary that you perform the division operation in row. You can also do that in column as well. For example, I want to display the result here and I want to divide 90 with 80. I will select this cell, put equal sign, select that particular cell which contains the number, put the division sign and select the divider and press enter. Now you can see here your result is here. Secondly, you don't need to apply the formula on individual row. If you have applied the formula on a one cell, then you can use a trick to automatically apply the formula on the remaining rows. For example, I also want to divide these numbers with these one. So just I will select the cell which contains the result and where we have applied the formula. We will put our cursor on the corner of that particular cell and this sign appear, which is you can see here a cross sign or plus sign. Drag it to remaining cells and Excel will automatically calculate the division result for remaining rows. So by doing so you can save a lot of time. You can perform similar steps for sum, subtraction as well as multiplication. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.